their live stream. I wonder if the other people can. No, they cannot hear you.
What?
No, no. Thanks, Marilyn. Thank you.
Of course, they
Nice to
cannot
see
hear
you
me
here.
because I am only in the chat box.
Mega loud shout out to you too. Maliko, yeah, Maliko also has snow, huh? Hmm. I know these are some of the high places. Maliko. I never knew Pangasinan has snow. Pangasinan is down, right?
No, it's in
Maliko
the
is
Cordillera.
Maliko is higher up, so I guess okay. Baguio is high. What
Pangasinan
about
is in the Cordillera.
Bukidnon? What about Bukidnon?
Bukidnon is in Mindanao. It's not
Yeah, so does
really.
that have snow? Because that is also elevated, right?
Yeah, but Mindanao is not really that cold.
They don't have that cold. Okay.
It may
But
be
Davao
cold,
also
but
gets a little.
not
Davao gets
snowing like.
cold, right? Davao gets pretty cold, right?
Mm-hmm.
Davao also
But the
elevated, right?
not much.
Not much. Thanks, Marilyn. Thanks, Alex. I've gone to your channels. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much, sige, Marilyn. Thank you, Marilyn. And I will go also to Mom Alex later. So I have two, two accounts only. So done here. The tablet is so bad, so I cannot open it up for you. It's totally
Right.
drained because I went out to buy the printer. 7 minutes
Ah,
for my, and I did not notice it was drained, really, really drained. So I cannot open it
oh,
up. Zero.
that's sad.
Yeah. And when I come back, really off. So I cannot open the tablet as of this moment. Marilyn now playing. I will just go and get others here from the playing team because the main
Okay.
team is on the run. So I will wait until they got. Hey there, more people in the house.
Yeah, 4 million. Remember the first time I was on someone's channel and they said like, oh, 15 million in the house. I said 15 million? I'm looking. No, there's only 15. Where's 15? Then I came to know that's the Filipino way of saying it. 15 million, 15 million the house.
That's actually men in the house.
So many terms I've used